Hey, I'm Eric from Fixer, here to answer some of the top questions from Reddit about home improvement. A popular question is, what's the easiest way to compare quotes for a remodel on an apples-to-apples basis? Say you're doing a bathroom remodel and you get quotes from multiple companies. One thing you can do is get a cost breakdown of everything from labor to materials. What you choose to go into your project will greatly affect the bottom line. During construction, surprises happen. Faulty wiring or mold are some examples of things that can come up. Your quote you get is a best case scenario, so expect surprises. We have cost guides on our site that can help you determine if the quote you get is fair and accurate. Click below to see. How can I weatherize my home from wildfire smoke? Seal cracks in your windows and doors. Make sure you have a HEPA filter, which will clean all the air coming into your home. Change your filters regularly and get your ducts cleaned. Can I replace my roof myself? There's no laws against it, but I wouldn't advise it. Roofing is a dangerous environment. Nobody wants to fall off the roof. Replacing a couple of shingles may be something you can tackle, but any more than that, I would highly recommend hiring a professional. They do it daily, they know what they're doing. Leave it to the experts. Another question we see often is when to call for foundation repair. Foundation problems can be very serious. I would recommend getting it checked out right away, hire a professional, see what needs to be done. Here's a hot topic. How are heat pumps different from AC units? Heat pumps and AC units basically use the same HVAC equipment. The biggest difference is that heat pumps can do both heating and cooling. Air conditioning can only cool. I don't know about you, but I'd much rather maintain one unit than have to worry about two separate units. That's it. We try to stay up to date with all of your questions here at Fixer. Thank you for watching.